Hey gamers, welcome back to our channel. Is your Steam client stuck on extracting package? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll go through 6 quick and easy fixes to get you back to gaming. Let's dive in. First of all, try restarting everything. Close the Steam client and reopen it a few times. If that doesn't work, restart your PC and your internet router. To restart your router, unplug it from the wall socket. Hold the power button for 15 seconds to turn it off. Wait 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix the issue. If restarting didn't help, clear your Steam download cache. Here's how. Open Steam and go to the Steam tab in the upper left corner. Navigate to Settings, then Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm. Once done, restart Steam and check if the issue persists. Sometimes the update package can get corrupted. To fix this, close Steam completely. Open File Explorer and go to C drive folder, then Program Files, then Steam or C drive, then Program Files x86, then Steam. Find the package folder, make a backup copy and then delete it. Restart Steam and it will download a new package automatically. Steam might need admin access to complete the update. Here's what to do. Right-click the Steam shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Then check Run this program as an administrator. Then click OK. Restart Steam and try updating again. Now, your antivirus or firewall might be blocking Steam. Add Steam as an exception. Open Windows Defender Firewall and select Allows an app through the firewall. Check Steam for both private and public networks. If you use third-party antivirus software like Avast or any other, make sure Steam is added to their exception list. If the issue persists, try disabling your antivirus temporarily. And finally, if the issue is server related, you can edit the host.txt file. Run Notepad as an administrator, open C folder, then go to Windows tab. From here, select System 3032, then Drivers, then click etc, then hosts.txt. Add these lines to end of the file. Save the file, then flush your DNS by typing ipconfig//DNS in the run window. This should resolve any server related issues. And there you have it. If this helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.